Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. During this offshore wreck fishing trip, we caught 4 of these fish. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe how to make a fish ball with Weakfish. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. To fillet the fish, start from the back and carefully tease the meat off the backbone. Now, remove the skin of the fillet. Trim off the pin bone and the bloodline. Remove the red meat of the fillet. Cut the fillet into small pieces. Add the fish meat to the food processor. Add 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon chicken bone. Add half cup milk. Here is the fish paste. Add some salt and chicken bone to boiled veggie. Put a piece of red hot pepper on each of the baby bok choy for decoration and the added flavor. Now it's time to make the fish ball. You may notice the fish ball are football shaped rather than round. There's a story behind it. Once upon a time, there's a Chinese emperor who was very tired of routine fish cooking. He ordered a chef to come up with some new fish dish. One chef used the fish belly meat and make the fish ball. To mimic the shape of the fish belly, he made the fish ball football shaped. He then used the fish ball to make a dish that you are about to see. The emperor was very happy with this dish. He named the dish as braised fish belly. And this dish has been in royal menu throughout the Chinese history. Cook the mushroom for 5 minutes in the chicken broth. Add ginger, scallion, and garlic in the wok. Add a cup of chicken broth. 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon chicken bone. Take Take out ginger, garlic, and scallion. Add starch. Add fishball and mushroom in the wok. Add seasoned oil for final touch.
This is the braised fish ball, or called the braised fish patty in ancient Chinese history. I hope you can try it at home. Be an emperor even for a day. That'd be nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.